We got enough time to finish this out on my phone. In the world of what I did, I think I showed these to you the other day. The little diamond shaped files. These got used on boats, counterweight boats, and boats to tower cranes. They get screwed up, you straighten them up. Now, we'll go down here to the door where I've been trying to get to for the past couple days. So I'm going to start off back here in the back. There's another ratchet back here. We ain't gonna worry about it. This is a inch and 13/16. Kept it. You guys are gonna like it. Mac tools. Got that one there for a forklift when I was working in an independent shop. Okay. Worked on semis, forklifts, whatever. Oh, I got her all up to all different sizes here. And then my big truck ones. Oil filters, 1/2 inch drive. That's for like a Caterpillar oil filter. Cummins, Detroit. Some of them got the big ones on there. This is another one for the oil filters. Some fuel filters on Detroit's. 1/2 inch drive. Snap on. This 3/8 drive. Y'all can see that right there. It's made in Japan. Don't like that one. He likes to hang up on me. And then I got the Mac 3/8 air ratchet. The glad hand. It's just a universal glad hand for trailers, so you can service them. A body saw, and my die grinders. Just the cheap ones. Cheap enough they can replace. You can replace, just get the gaskets off, clean stuff up. Air hammer. Oh, the big daddy of them all. My air saw ran 1/2 inch drive. It's been beat around, but I tell you what, you can't beat that right there. That'll take. Yeah, we've been through that before. Come over here. This is just miscellaneous. It's got the Sawzall, my grinder, and some rolls of wire. I guess all it's in there. Oh, it's got guess I need all in there. It's got the input shaft to a transmission. It's kind of like what Junkie used when he put his clutch in. That Peterbilt they redid. And a Kingpin out of a semi. It's really nice to beat on. If you need to beat on something that's that big. Whew. Okay. Down here, Mac tools. This happens to be a kit. Oh, let's see here, get the number. SXHS14B. What is it? 14-piece drain plug socket set. 3/8 drive. The reason why I got Mac on this, Snap-on didn't have the whole complete set, and it was going to take me 2 weeks to get it. Mac, I got it overnight. Okay. I suppose I can put these back in there so I keep my rubber gloves. This is just a multimeter. Another one. And then we got the Power Probe. It is the Power Probe 3. And it's handy. That thing right there has saved me a lot of running. It's really helpful, especially on a trailer when you're trying to find a short in the wire or something, you know. Here's my other electrical drawer. It's got all my butt connectors, dielectric grease, small pieces of loom. I got my bigger loom elsewhere. There's heat shrink in there. Gets low on it. Over here we got punches, chisels, drift pin, and this is the 10-pound sledge that I with the short handle on it. You beat kingpins out, spring hanger, bushings and pins. This here is upside down. It is right there. It's for kingpins. So you two different sides. You got two different sizes of kingpins here. It's made by Holland. It tells you where it's wore out or not. And I use that. You can tell it's been quite used. I had the tag still in my truck in the service truck, so I just wire tied it back on there. That's my dirty shelf full of stuff I took out of my service truck. Pry bars, Pittsburgh. Everybody, I need a long one. I knew I was going to retire, so I didn't go buy me a good one. Hey, it got bent up. Got bent up just a little bit. No big deal. Served the purpose for what I need it for. And then the other one, as you can tell, this is what they call a tire spoon. Used it a lot. And in one of the videos, or one of the live streams, I don't know which one it was, everybody was talking about jacks, about the Pittsburgh, and whether a Snap-on was a good buy or not. Okay. See that right there? That's my Pittsburgh, 3-ton. See this right here? Snappy FJ300, 3-ton floor jack. Like I say, in the videos or in the live streams, if I tell you I got it, hopefully you believe me, because now I'm showing you. There she sits, guys. My 3-ton floor jack from Snappy, 3-ton from Harbor Freight. That's my toolbox tour. All my cordlesses I have still around here, but the batteries aren't no good for them. I hope I covered everything. The shelf up here has just got my snap ring pliers, stuff I need. I can't get my toolbox. That's got parts in it. That's got parts in it for semis. That up there has parts in it for just extra parts for semis and oh shoot, I can't remember what else, car or vehicle. But anyways, we got my extension cords around here. I don't run straight regular extension cords. I do have regular extension cords, but they don't get used for the big stuff. Anything I do, as you can tell, my garage is a mess. This is what I run, guys, right here, and my extension cords. I find your number on here. It's 14 AWG, I can tell you that. 14. It's basically all rubbed off of this one. But anyhow, I don't run the little guys. if I got any distance to go, that's what I use. It's my exhaust fan. The boxes I had in my pickup truck I took out. The engine out of my pickup truck I took out. It's supposed to be a tool video. That's my table saw. I'm tired. I'm glad I got this done. This grandson's bicycle, he's grounded from it. And the bench I got to weld legs on, cast iron. Go figure. I got a welder here too. So I'll figure out how to get that done soon. Alright guys. I appreciate all you guys checking it out and everything. My other 2 videos. I appreciate y'all looking at this one. And oh, there was another live stream. Hey, Hard Knocks, everybody was talking about carrying. That's a 1911 open carry every day, everywhere I go. Extra clip on my left side. So there we go. Toolbox tour is complete. Yeah, refrigerator. There's my portable flashlight plugged in. But anyways, I appreciate it, guys. Y'all been patient with me and everything. Like I said, I haven't lied to none of you at all. So I just wanted to get this out here. So y'all know a little more about me and what I did. And like I said, I bought a Cobalt box. I bought the wrong one. I should have went ahead and got a Mac or a Snap-on instead of this. Or I should have got the bigger one of these. Something. But I still ain't got everything in there. But I appreciate it. And we will hopefully get another video out here soon. I hope I'll find something to make a video on. I do some woodworking. I like working on vehicles. I miss working, but retirement was the option I had. So another story, another day. Right now, we're just gonna deal with this. Well, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.